1. Can I go out with my friends this weekend? 2. Mom, Dad, I need help with my homework. 3. Can I have some extra allowance this week? 4. Dad, can you drive me to my friend's house? 5. Mom, I'm having trouble understanding this math problem. 6. Can I get a new phone for my birthday? 7. Mom, Dad, can I join the school club activity? 8. Dad, can you help me practice driving? 9. Can I have a sleepover at my friend's house? 10. Can I stay up a little later tonight? 11. Dad, can I have a pet? 12. Mom, can you help me with my science project? 13. Can I get a part-time job? 14. Dad, can you give me a ride to the mall? 15. Mom, can you help me pick out an outfit for the party? 16. Can I go to the concert with my friends? 17. Dad, can you how to cook? 18. Mom, can I have a later curfew? 19. Can I borrow the car this weekend? 20. Dad, can I have some advice about my future career? 21. Mom, can I have my own bank account? 22. Can I have some privacy in my room? 23. Dad, can I have a little more freedom? 24. Mom, can I dye my hair a different color? 25. Can I invite my friends over for a movie night? 26. Dad, can you teach me how to fix a flat tire? 27. Mom, can I go on a school trip? 28. Can I have a later bedtime on weekends? 29. Dad, for the special occasion? 30. Mom, can you help me create a budget for my expenses? 31. Can I go on a vacation with my friend's family? 32. Dad, can you help me with my college applications? 33. Mom, can I have some advice on dealing with peer pressure? 34. Can I have a pet dog cat? 35. Dad, can you teach me how to manage my finances? 36. Mom, can I get a new laptop for school? 37. Can I have some extra screen time today? 38. Dad, can you help me build a bookshelf? 39. Mom, can you give me advice on handling stress? 40. Can I have a friend over for a study session? 41. Dad, can I join a sports team? 42. Mom, can you help me practice for my school presentation? 43. Can I go to the mall with my friends? 44. Dad, can you help me set up a savings account? 45. Mom, can I have my own phone? 46. Can I stay out a little later for the school event? 47. Dad, can you give me driving lessons? 48. 48. Mom, can I have some money for a school trip? 49. Can I have a sleepover with my cousin? 50. Dad, can you help me with my science experiment? 51. Mom, can I go on a volunteer trip? 52. Can I have a later curfew for the family gathering? 53. Dad, can you give me advice on time management? 54. Mom, can you help me with my college essay? 55. Can I have the time before the exam? 56. Dad, can you help me fix my bike? 57. Mom, can I join a dance class? 58. Can I go to the amusement park with my friends? 59. Dad, can you help me with my art project? 60. Mom, can I get a part-time job during the summer? 61. Can I have a friend over for a movie night? 62. Dad, can you teach me how to play? 63. Mom, can I have some advice on building healthy relationships? 64. Can I go on a camping trip with my friends? 65. Dad, can you help me with my computer programming assignment? 66. Mom, can I get a new video game console? 67. Can I have some extra allowance for the school event? 68. Dad, can you help me with my basketball skills? 69. Mom, go to the concert with my older sibling? 70. Can I have a later bedtime on weekends? 71. Dad, can you teach me how to change a light bulb? 72. Mom, can I join the debate team? 73. Go to the beach with my friends? 74. Dad, can you help me with my history project? 75. Mom, can I have some money for a school book? 76. Can I have a sleepover at my friend's house? 77. Dad, can you teach me how to tie a tie? 78. Mom, can I join a photography club? 79. Can I go to the theme park with my friends? 80. Dad, can you help me with my English essay? 81. Mom, can I get a new pair of sneakers? 82. Can I have some extra screen time on the weekend? 83. Dad, can you teach me how to swim? 84. Mom, can I join a music band? 85. Can I have a friend over for a study session? 86. Dad, can you help me with my chemistry experiment? 87. Mom, can I go on a school camping trip? 88. Can I have later curfew for the birthday party? 89. Dad, can you give me advice on building self-confidence? 90. Mom, can I get a new backpack for school? 91. Can I stay out a little later for the school play? 2. Dad, can you help me with my math homework? 93. Mom, can I join a language class? 94. Can I go to the mall with my friends? 95. Dad, can you teach me how to cook a specific recipe? 96. Mom, can I have some money for a school field trip? 97. Can I have a sleepover with my best friend? 98. Dad, can you help me with my physics project? 99. Go on a volunteering trip? 100. Can I have a later curfew for the family dinner? Thank you for watching. Subscribe for